Hi friends! Welcome to Mindful Moments with Karen, and today's video is going to be on low back stretches. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I hold a lot of tension in my low back because I'm consistently sitting in a chair for class, for work, for homework, and I'm not getting up and moving as much as I used to. And so I am going to show you guys some low back stretches that I do. To do these stretches, we are going to be on the floor, and you are going to need a mat or blanket to add some padding between you and the floor. The first pose that I'm going to be showing you guys is child's pose, and I'm sure some of you guys have seen child's pose if you've taken yoga or classes similar to that. It's a super simple pose, and it's a really good back stretch, so I like to do this on whenever I'm feeling a little stressed in my low back. Before we go into child's pose, I just wanted to say that tabletop is going to be our base position for some of the stretches that we're going to be doing today. Tabletop is basically you're on your hands and knees and your back is flat. So let me show you tabletop and child's pose. So for tabletop, we are going to be on our hands and knees, and this is tabletop. Your shoulder and your hand should be directly aligned, and then going into child's pose, you're just gonna lean back and then relax. So the next pose that I'll be showing you guys is called upward dog. Let's get into it. So for upward dog, we're gonna start on our hands and knees at tabletop, and then we're going to move forward. Make sure you're controlling all the way down. And then you're going to go up. And that's it. And then move back into tabletop. And back to child's pose. And then tabletop. Our next pose is going to be cat-cow. But before I go into showing you what cat-cow looks like, I just wanted to put a disclaimer that I'm a beginner at yoga poses, which is what these poses are, and it might look different for you, and it might look different for someone else. So, let's get into cat-cow. We're going to get back into tabletop, and then for cat-cow, we're going to arch our back first like this. You're sucking in your stomach and creating an arch with your back. And then down, and you're looking up, and then in, out, and that's cat-cow. Our next stretch is going to be what I call a knee to chest stretch, and basically we're just going to be on our backs and bring our knees to our chest. Ready? So, getting into this pose, we're gonna lie flat, and you're just gonna bring both knees to chest, and it's kind of stretching out your muscles that are connecting your glutes to your low back. And maybe you want to stretch a little bit more. You bring one foot out, bring it back in, another foot out, and bring it back in. For our last pose, I'm going to be doing the modified pigeon pose, and that is on your back also. So let's get into it. So we're going to lie on our back and bring feet up. I'm going to bring my right foot like this and hold and stretch. And this is not only getting your thigh muscles, but it's also getting your glutes, which support your low back. And then I'm going to switch over and do my other side. We always have to make sure to get both sides. And if you want more of a stretch, make sure your toes are pointing out up instead of pointing. And you'll get a good hamstring stretch, glute stretch. That concludes our low back stretches for today. thanks for joining me for today's video, and hopefully this could be a little bit of help for you. And check back next week.